Okay, hey, let's get ready to work out tonight, everybody. Let's get your bands out. Now, I want you to get your tubing out, and I'm going to back up here. Okay, you got some exercise tubing with your bands, or you can grab some weights. I've just got some water bottles here. Okay, so you can use water bottles, or you can use the tubing. Okay, tonight we're going to do my upper body #1 workout. I'm going to teach you 2 upper body workouts. Today's upper body, we're going to do biceps, triceps, and shoulders. The next time I do a live workout, we're going to do chest and back. I want you to do each upper body workout twice a week. So if we have 2 workouts, arms and shoulders one day, chest and back the next, and we do each one of those twice a week, we only need 4 days. That's how many days I like to do my upper body. Now, we're going to do biceps and triceps for 3 minutes. We're going to take about a 45-second break, and we're going to do some shoulder exercises, some very simple. Now, for people who have any challenges or disabilities, I want you to simply sit in a chair, okay, and grab some light water bottles, and you can do them just like this. Okay, and then when we do triceps, you'll just lean forward and you'll straighten your elbow and bend your elbow. Now, this upper arm here is going to stay in this position. I'm not moving the upper arm. I'm just straightening the elbow, bending the elbow, working the tricep back here. So we can do this with bodybuilders standing up, lifting weights. You can use your tubing, or you can sit in your chair if you're more comfortable in your chair. I'm going to stand, and we're going to get started now. And I'm going to walk you through it, and we're going to have a lot of fun, and we're going to get the burn going. So here we go. First set. Okay, let's start working our biceps. Now, what I want you to do is once you feel the burn, I want you to go 10 more. So you might get 20, you might get 30. When you feel the burn, see, now I'm feeling it, so I'm going to go 10 more. 1, okay? Once you feel the burn, you keep going for 10. So you don't necessarily have to get 30, but I want you to get the burn for at least 20 seconds. So I'm at 5, 6. Again, if you're not feeling the burn, stop and put a little air in it. Okay, another thing you can do is slow it down. Okay, if you go fast, it's harder to get the burn. I'm at 8, 9, good burn going, 10. Now, either lean forward in your chair and use your water bottles, or keep your feet on your tubing and just lean forward at the hips. Now, look where my elbow is. It's back behind me. I'm going to straighten the arm, flex the arm. Same thing. Let's get the burn going. And let's get at least 10 more. I'm not at the burn yet. Now it's starting. So it took me 13 to get the burn going. So I'm going to go 10 more. Keep those arms back behind you. Straighten the elbow, bend the elbow. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we want to keep the burn going, so we go right back to biceps. So let's go right back to this exercise. The burn is going to start a lot quicker because we have reduced the oxygen. I'm already at the burn. I'm going to get 10 more. Now notice I'm going slow. Okay? We want to stay in that burn. 5, 6, 7, oh, they're cooking. 8, 9, 10. We're going right back to triceps. We're halfway there. Lean forward at the hips, okay? Straighten the arm, bend the arm. So I'm going to get the burn going, and I'm going to get 10 more. There's the burn. Only took me 6. So I'm going to get 10 more. You do the same. Get the burn, do 10 more. 5, Oh yeah, they're cooking now. Now notice I'm not swinging my arms. I'm not going fast. 8, 9, 10. Last set. This is the money set. This is where we get all the growth hormone. Oh, they're already burning. Okay? So I'm at 2 and I'm going to get 10 more. Three more for me. 8, 9, woo, 10. Okay, right back to triceps, our last set of triceps. There's the burn. Only took me 2. Let me get 10 more. Three more. Okay, I'll show you a little trick to go get more growth hormone. Put your weights down and your tubing. Let's keep going. Let's get 5 biceps. 1, squeeze. 2, 3, 4. Keep it going. 5. We go right to triceps. No weights, just squeezing. 1, 2, 3. Keeps the burn going. 4, 5. Now watch this. We're going to go both ways. 5 of them. Biceps, triceps, biceps, triceps, biceps. Nice and slow. Squeeze them. 2 more. Oh, yeah. Woo, we're done. That was about 3.5 minutes of arms. We're going to take a break. We're going to go right into shoulders here in a minute. Here's the key. We were in the burn, most of us, at least 2 minutes. That is enough burn to create a very significant growth hormone surge. And that's the key. The bands allow us to do easy exercise, but create the burn like we're lifting heavy weights, but without the pain and without the soreness. Now, let's go to shoulders. Okay? I'm going to give you one simple exercise. We're going to do shoulder circles. Okay? So you can do this with tubing. Okay? So you can take your lightest tubing, your yellow, okay? And you can put it out here to the side, and you can do circles with the tubing. Or you can grab some light dumbbells, 1, 2, 3 pounders. I've just got a couple cool hydrogen water bottle things here. They're about 2 pounds each, okay? We're going to go front circles, which means we're going to go back, up, and forward, okay? Here we go. We're going to go 30, back, up, and forward. Slow circles. This is great for people who have shoulder problems because we're going to work all the shoulder muscles, the deltoid, the rotator cuff, the trap. Okay, I've already got the burn. Let's get 10 more. Once you get the burn, 10 more. 2, 3, nice and slow. Oh yeah, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5-second break. We're going to go the other direction. 5, 4, shake it out. 3, 2, 1. We come forward, up, and back. Okay? There's my burn. Wow. I'm only at 7. I got little light weights. Now I'm going to get 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take a 20-second break. Then I'm going to show you the next exercise. We're going to go back and forth with these. Okay, shake it out a little bit. 10 seconds left. Take a little break. 5, 4. Okay, you're driving the car. Put your hands on the wheel. Okay, we're going to do a right turn and a left turn. Right out in front of you. We're going to do these back and forth. Right turn, left turn. Nice and slow. So if you got the tubing, hold that tubing out in front of you. If you've got weights, same thing. Put your hands on the steering wheel. Right turn, left turn, right turn, left turn. Oh, there's the burn. I've already got it. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make that big circle. You got to take it all the way turn. Turn the wheel all the way this way as far as you can. All the way that way as far as you can. 3, 2, 1. Little break. 20-second break. We're going to go back to circles. You're working all the shoulder muscles here. 10 seconds. 5, 4. Here we go. We're going to go with backwards circles. And let me let somebody in the waiting room. Here we go. Back to front. Back, up, front. Circles. A little bigger this time. This time the circles are bigger. About twice as big or 50% bigger. There's the burn. Woo! 10 more for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Opposite direction. Remember, we're going bigger circles this time. Oh man, those burns already starting. I'm only going to get 10 more once the burn starts. There's 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now if you're new, it's probably a good time to stop. Okay, and you can build up. You've been using the bands for a while. We're getting our next exercise here in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Drive the car. Full turns. Arms out in front of you. Nice and slow. Oh, there's the burn for me. Okay, I'm going to get 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you have shoulder problems, this is going to help. If you're a pickleball player, you're going to have more power. If you're a golfer, you're going to hit the ball better. Any sport, you're going to do better. If you are a worker that uses your shoulders, you're going to do better. Now, for the people who've been doing the bands for a while, we got one more. Here we go. Big circles, start front to back. The biggest circles you can do. I've got limited shoulder motion, so this is as far as I can go. Oh, there's the burn for me. Woo! I'm going to get 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, woo, 9, 10. Lots of burn. Growth hormones coming. Big circles the other direction. If it hurts, shorten the motion. Drop your arms down a little bit. Don't go into the pain. There's my burn. Wow. I got 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo. Okay. We're going to rest about another 10 seconds. We're going to drive the car 1 more and we're done. Okay, here we go. Get your arms on that steering wheel. Big turns now. Try and turn all the way 90 degrees. Woo, boy. Yeah, I'm burning. I only got 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one for me. Woo. Okay. Now, I'll show you a little trick. Put these arms up right here. Like you're flying. We're going to do a little burnout. Oh, wow. Okay. So look what I'm doing here. It's kind of like what we did with the biceps and triceps. Yep. Oh, I got about 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Okay. We are done. Push the tips right here. Push the tips in right there. There you go. Now, you would think, and I get this a lot from bodybuilders, oh, Dr. Mike, you can't build muscle using water bottles. Let me tell you something. Look at these shoulders. I've put on about 10 pounds of muscle across my shoulders and arms since I started doing this. So don't let anybody tell you you can't build muscle by doing light weights. So seniors, this is how we're going to not do any more damage and build muscle. And if you know young people, do them a favor. Introduce the bands to them. The sooner we can get somebody on the bands, the longer we can extend the wonderful life of your body. I've replaced 3 joints in my body. I've got a really bad right shoulder. That came from all those years of lifting heavy weights. Great job tonight on our live workout.